Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to correctly change the temperature of a Samsung refrigerator. Before we begin, I invite you to subscribe to the channel or become a channel member to support this content. Now let's get started. Many of us have experienced not knowing how to change the temperature on a Samsung refrigerator. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it in simple steps. To change the temperature, we'll do the following. First, press and hold the door alarm button for 3 seconds. When you hold the door alarm button for 3 seconds, the top control panel will unlock. You can see this in the image shown in the video. You will also hear a sound which indicates that the panel has been unlocked. Now to change the freezer temperature, press the freezer button. You can press this button to increase or decrease the temperature. Here you can see the process on screen, pressing the freezer button according to the temperature you want. To change the refrigerator temperature or fridge, we do the same thing. Press the button to increase or decrease the temperature. Now I'll leave you with a short summary video. First, press and hold the door alarm button for 3 seconds to unlock the panel. Then, adjust the freezer temperature using the freezer option. And finally, on the right side, adjust the refrigerator temperature. As you can see, it's a very simple process. I hope this video has helped you. As always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel or become a member to support this content. See you in the next video. Bye.